High blood pressure affects millions, but monitoring it at home can empower you to take control of your heart health. So let's learn how to accurately use the CVS Health Upper Arm 100 series blood pressure monitor. First, make sure you have everything you need: the monitor itself, the cuff, and for AA batteries if they aren't already installed. Now, preparation is key. Sit comfortably in a chair with good back support. Relax for at least 5 minutes before taking your reading. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and exercise for at least 30 minutes beforehand. Place your arm on a flat surface, like a table, ensuring your upper arm is at heart level. You can use a pillow or cushion to support your arm if needed. Next, position the cuff on your bare upper arm, about 1 inch above your elbow. Make sure the artery mark on the cuff aligns with your brachial artery, which is on the inside of your elbow. The cuff should fit snugly, but not too tight. You should be able to slip one finger underneath. Now, press the start button. The monitor will automatically inflate the cuff. Stay still and quiet during the measurement. The monitor will display your systolic and diastolic blood pressure readings, as well as your pulse rate. Record these numbers in a logbook or app to track your blood pressure over time. Remember, consistent and accurate measurements are crucial. Follow these steps each time you take your blood pressure, and consult with your doctor to understand what the readings mean for your health.